Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's project is a little gift bag with handles. Very, very easy to make. Just uses half a sheet of 12 by 12 designer series paper. And the designer series paper I've chosen is actually one of the free papers that are in the Celebration promotion, which runs through to the end of February. This one here is towards the back. It's on page 12 of the brochure, and it's actually 2 items. So when you spend 180 or more, you qualify for the free stamp set and the designer series paper, so you get both of them. The stamp set itself is gorgeous, but this designer series paper is so pretty. You can actually stamp over it as well if you choose to, with these beautiful flower images. So I'm going to use a piece of the paper to make the bag. So I've used this really pretty one with a fresh freesia baked base colour here. So let's go ahead and show you how I made it. I've made these before, so you'll probably be familiar with this bag. So on the 12-inch side of bring in your Simply Scored scoring tool on that 12-inch side. So this is the top of the bag here. You're going to score at 1.5, 5.5, 7, and 11. I'll put all the dimensions in the description bar below. Turn the paper around onto that portrait side and just score at, is it 1 or 1.5? 1.5. So that's the bottom of the bag. So if you're using paper that is directional, just make sure that you've got it going the right way. That's all the scoring. So now it's time to fold and burnish. And that's the bag itself. That's the basis of the bag there. That's how it goes together. So just like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut away that small rectangle just here on that right hand side. So as you're looking at the paper, holding it in front of you, you're going to cut away that one. Wedge that in a little bit, and then you're going to cut up all of these score lines up to that horizontal mark. So that one, that one, and that's all the scoring you have to do. That's all the cutting. So the bag goes together, folds in like that, and then these flaps come in, and go together like that. So let's put some tape down here. And I simply just fold that over. So that's the top of that's the back of the bag where that seam is. Fold these ones in. That one in, some tape on here, and that's it. That's the bag made. Now the handles, I used basic black for this one, and I just got my circle dies out. I think I used the second to large circle die and probably one of the smaller ones. Depends how big you want the handle. You can use the large one if you like, and they're just going to pop in there like that. So I'm going to put a little bit of tape on here, and I'm just eyeballing for the center. Just going to bring it down just below like that. Then for the other one, so I know I get it exactly right, I'm just going to put a little bit of tape on here. I'm going to bring my bag in. So I put a little bit of tape on there, and then what I do is I bring the two together, make sure they're absolutely lined up, just gently squeeze the top in, let go, and then that adhesive will have held it together. That's the easiest way I found to make sure that it's perfect. So for the sentiment, I've already gone ahead and cut out using my Stitched So Sweetly dies, a piece of the black and the thick basic white. And I'm going to stamp with Hope You Have the Best Birthday, which I haven't put on a block yet, but that won't take a moment, and one of these really pretty images. And I'm using Fresh Freesia actually, which is one of our in colours. Let's just grab a couple of blocks out. And put them on. Make sure that's straight. Okay, so I'm going to stamp the sentiment first. And I'm using, as I said, my memento. Just pop that into the middle. Okay. And then with my Fresh Freesia, this is a pretty colour. Just going to do a little bit of stamping. Which way do I want that to go? Maybe that way. How did I have it there? I think I had it like that. Here we go. Just on there. And then again up the top, a little bit up there as well. Just for a little bit of colour on there. Now let's put these together. Some dimensionals. Just keeping that same sort of colourway going with the black, the white and the Fresh Freesia. And then that can go on there. Some other dimensional. I do like using dimensionals. Right. The front. And then I've used the ribbon as well. This is the Fresh Freesia it is the open weave ribbon. I always forget the name of this one. It's so pretty, isn't it? I've gone ahead and done a bow because just to make things go a little bit more smoothly, because sometimes my bows take a bit of time. So I'm just going to put a couple of glue dots on here. Now you've probably seen me use these before. These are the glue dots that come in our kit collections, and I always have leftovers, and I keep them because I find that they're just that little bit easier when I'm putting ribbon on, particularly, or baker's twine. So let's pop that on there. It's a very girly little bag, isn't it? I like it. Right. And last but not least, a couple of a couple of our classic matte dots. These are in the catalogue, the new mini catalogue as well. They are part of the home collection. So I like these ones, I really do. So just a little bit there, another one there. Put 3. Whoops. I should have put these on before I adhered, but it doesn't actually matter. I did have another one on there, must have fallen off. There we go. There you go. And there you have it. Simple, easy, cute little gift bag featuring the free celebration paper and the friendly hello set from Stampin' Up. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.